26th Jan, not 26th December.
मतलब एक्सपेक्टेड. तो आ रही है दिल्ली में, मतलब इंडिया में.
हाँ, पर Jan.
तो हम जा रहे हैं. ठीक है, डन. वी आर ऑन द रोड्स ऑफ
Janakpuri.
स्वीडन ऑफ इंडिया.
Sweden of
Some would
India.
say.
Divya said.
भाई पीसफुल एज फक. वेस्ट दिल्ली, यू हैव चेंज माई माइंड अबाउट यू. आई लाइक यू.
You should come to Tilak Nagar.
तिलक नगर, लंदन ऑफ
That's
इंडिया.
the London of Delhi.
दिल्ली का लंदन कौन है?
दिल्ली का लंदन.
तिलक नगर भाई.
नहीं यार, दिल्ली का लंदन इज
जोरबाग.
Dude,
भाई
no,
ये
South
साउथ
Delhi,
दिल्ली
South
ब्रो.
Delhi is
साउथ दिल्ली इज आउट ऑफ द गेम.
दिल्ली का लंदन कमला नगर.
East Delhi,
नो, दैट इज लाइक
Jamna Park.
France.
That's like,
कमला नगर इज फ्रांस.
yeah.
Good. We are really liking our
Anyway, Yamuna is called Lil by our honorable
PMG.
CM.
ओ रेखा जी. अरे रेखा जी देख रहे हैं क्या आप ये?
क्या हो रहा है ये?
This is the hand hug. You
Hand
also
hug.
हाँ सुना.
do
Hand
close the
hug.
hug.
ब्रो उल्टा.
एक सेकंड क्या?
Don't close the hug.
The thumb wrap it up.
Nupur is a 17-year-old.
Dude, my office is like fully empty. It's a Monday morning and no one's here. You know why? Because it's 29th of December and it's ideally supposed to be everyone's time to be partying and having fun. But honestly, I don't mind being here. You know what? I don't know, unpopular opinion. But every Monday morning when I wake up, I feel like the same feeling I used to feel when like we would have a school trip or like a picnic with the class, and then in the morning you'd wake up feeling so excited. I know that sounds diabolical, but it is kind of true. I am working hard if it's the end of year or the beginning of the year. But anywho, I'm wearing the jewelry that I bought the other day and I feel amazing about it. Got my coffee. Wait, let me show you my coffee. That is my coffee. And yeah, I'm gonna wrap up some work. Guys, we are going out for lunch for our office. Palak say hi. And it's like we're eloping. We're literally eloping. There's no one in the office. It's just me, Palak, and Nupur, and this one other girl. I've decided I'm going to stop filming myself at the gym because like it's the same clip always. Good morning. You know what I love doing, Palak? I love putting my earphones on my phone and then I speak into the mic. And when you listen to it, the voice comes out so good. It's like you're doing a podcast. Palak, come here. Show us your pretty face. Fuck. I'm going to kill this person. Yeah. What do we do with this person? I can't show. Bro, I'm getting email. Like, this is insane. It's the 1st of Jan and I'm doing my favorite thing in the whole world. It's to pack and to leave to meet the most favorite person in the whole world. We are ready to go see Sheldon. It's the first day of the new year. And oh god, wait. Oh, people must really hate me if they're up. I really, I don't know, I love going to the airport. I love waking up early in the morning. I love the feeling of longing and then actually going and stopping that longing. So I'm going. No, it's a hot take, but I just love long distance as a concept. Friendships, relationships, whatever it is. I just think it's the most perfectly concocted way of living life. For a while at least. I think it's a great test of if you can survive through things together. Now, I'm at the airport having coffee, and in 3, 2, 1, you will see me in Ahmedabad. Me working out. I hate working out with someone else. You're the only person I can work out with.
Okay, Karima.
We have started the year with a banging workout.
Now we're going to do heartfulness meditation.
Okay, yes. See, it's a whole wellness retreat. Oh my god, 2026.
हमने शुरू कहानी थी
वो तो झांसी वाली रानी
खूब लड़ी मर्दानी
मरुदानी
god, you remember?
This is the most prettiest girl in all of Gujarat, Delhi, Kerala, India.
Let's go.
Oh my god, Shalvin, just I cannot take my eyes off. Please show us your eyes.
What do you think? I don't feel great about it.
First meal with the prettiest, with the scrumptious person I know.
Oh,
How do you like it? Taste us.
cheesy.
Cheesy?
I don't know if you like. Oh, love dessert now. Friends with the blogger.
Guys, ये जूस मेरे जूस वाले भैया 50 रुपए में बनाते हैं. यहाँ मिल रहा है 300 रुपए का.
Hi guys, vlogger change.
We'll get copyrighted, as if anyone cares.
That's possible.
It is, but if you like, I think a big thing, and you don't make money off of it.
Welcome to Divya in the house.
Shalu in the house today. Hi. Oh my god.
This is Divya.
I mean, I think people know it.
It's Charlie.
Shalu. Tell them what all we did today, through the day.
Okay.
Because we've had quite the day.
A day. It's been a day of healing. We did meditation. We did
Workout.
we worked out, and you're so true. It does get a little conscious. Like I think you have to forget. The whole idea is to forget
Because
that
what
there
other
is-
people are seeing. Because imagine if we had like 5 more people sitting here, you and I would be not what we have with each other, no?
Oh yeah. It felt so nice to have Divya in Ahmedabad, and yeah,
So fake.
we what?
Just tell what we did in the morning since till now.
We all just loved my Diddy, and
We dressed up.
yes.
We took a shower. We did coffee
took a
scrub.
shower together.
Separately. We did coffee scrub.
We're such a lesbian couple.
Today to was fully giving lesbian couple.
Yeah.
Then we went to this really nice place called Mad
House,
House.
which is run by this beautiful couple called Varun. Oh my god, I have to talk about them. Please go. I love this is like promotion.
segment.
You have to go if you're in Ahmedabad. Go to Madhouse. It's in University Room, and yeah, it's run by this lovely
Google it.
couple. And they're just so obsessed with each other, and yeah, it's a very cute place. Yes.
Truly. We'll put a clip of the menu where they've actually
Oh, wow.
mentioned the dude.
You
also.
have all-
Just insert image here, Divya, the editor. Okay, good.
What is this? God,
From there-
YouTube has taken my sister. Yeah. Huh.
From there we went to paint therapy.
No, art. It was
Art,
dance
yes, dance.
and
Movement.
yeah. It was an alternative this done by the amazing Nupur, who's also, I have to shout out, she runs CSJ, and she's just an amazing woman, amazing lawyer. Like,
Done some incredible work.
love her. Why are we just promoting?
Oh, really? I think
No.
Sweet Potato were nice.
Do they have a common washroom?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Zen Cafe. Very
Zen
good.
Cafe.
Very good.
Common washroom.
Yeah.
Forks.
Yes.
Forks and spoons. Forks and spoons.
Okay, okay.
Knives
okay,
and spoons.
okay, okay. Why is she? She's the one horrible.
It's the next day and Shalvin had to work for like a couple of hours, so I came by myself to the most amazing cafe I've ever known in Ahmedabad called Zen. I had coffee, which was pretty darn good. Honestly, a great Americano. It's one of the, I don't know, I think Americano speaks a lot about a cafe. Then I had a green juice, and then you'll see. I'm not very happy to report, but I have spent my dinner money on shopping, and I blame Shalvin for leaving me unsupervised. Oh my god. Ahmedabad is not hot at all. It's like so not hot. Which is good. And the good thing is that I anyway don't wear very winter appropriate clothing even in Delhi. So I have clothes that can survive me through this. Yay. You know, you're having the time of your life when you haven't vlogged or picked up the phone in hours. Babe, stop. You know, this is good. We haven't done any kind of substances in years. We just wake up like this.
We woke up at 12 p.m. Just 5 hours late.
So out of it.
But also we slept at 4:30, so it makes.
And I thought you would wake up at 7.
I told her, I was like,
No.
please let's aim for realistic goals. We are not waking any time before 10. I was also wrong. So, okay, we will see you when we can. I don't know. I don't want to vlog. She is working. She is a worker. Oh my god. Oh.
Package of dinner. Yes, I'm
We are ready. Shalvin is praying. And we are heading to Sabarmati so that we can cycle, get our workout in, have fun. From there, we're going to go to Ahmedabad. And then we're going to be heading to
Hello.
eat some food because that's what we do, right? How was your pray?
Very good.
Our auto driver just left us off in the middle of the road and we had to walk like 20,000 miles to reach this. But honestly, it was worth it. Shalin and I cycled for like 2 hours and we spoke and we just had the time of our lives. I think it's like very underrated. Do activities with your friends.
Hi, vlog.
You're talking like you've never spoken before.
Hi. Everyone come to Ahmedabad.
No, do not. Thank you. You'll keep this sterilized for us. Art therapy 2.0. Given our entire wealth to Rapido and Uber, but no one's coming to pick us up. So I guess we're not eating. Hi.
God, what a bad friend.
Babe, why are you carrying it? It's leaving time. It doesn't feel like it's been 4 days, no? Like it's the 4th of Jan.
I'm just sad. I don't know how to
We will
process.
in February.
Yeah, inshallah.
That's how long this is. That's what I was saying, and I was telling the vlog also when I was coming. I just love.
Public.
I love.
I'm
Long
not
day.
old. I'm not okay with it. This will be the.
I love how you were the one who was pushing me to do it, and now you're holding me back.
Wow, you would say that?
No, she would never do that. She's being dramatic. But I was telling them this only that I love longing. And we've
Yeah.
discussed this at length also. Like the feeling
And
of.
she's such a natural vlogger. Like I know I'm not even saying this because Dibby is like my girl, but like there's so many of them on the internet. But her USP is her personality.
Oh, you.
And like I mean just watch the vlog. It's genuinely funny. Like it's
Oh,
genuinely
the 8 people that I've given access to the vlog.
it's
can
genuinely
watch it.
funny. Share it with your friends,
No,
with
do
your
not
family.
share. Thank you and regards.
And yeah, just have a good laugh. I watch it in the morning. You could watch it at the end of the day. It's
She
a good
watches it on the
blend.
projector.
And
so
I
no
watch
one's
it on the
gonna compete with
projector.
her.
Yes, I watch my girl on the big screen. So yeah, happy watching.
I'll miss you.
Okay, now this we don't show.
Oh yeah, okay. Okay, bye. We'll be back
We're
in Delhi soon.
Yes, we will keep it to us.
Yes. Thanks.
Thanks.
Bye. I'm generally not a very anxious person. Like I don't feel anxious in situations. But I don't know, today, after a very long time, I'm feeling very anxious going back.
I got conscious because I thought the bhaiya was, I don't know, getting creeped out by me. But yeah, I was just, I don't know, sad leaving. But until you leave, you can't come back again. So with that thought, I will now be back to Delhi.
Hi guys, welcome to Divya Vlogs. What is the name of the channel?
Wow, I'm disappointed.
I know. It's... Ruk jao. I know. I searched for it.
3, 2, 1, bam.
In the house.
Oh, oh
मैं
me.
इंदा कुछ बोलने वाला था. Welcome to Divya's channel, Divya in the house, and it's also Dipanshu and Nupur with you.
Let's freaking go. Look at their food. they made decisions based off of what I told them to eat.
Very influential, very
Most of them just become shut. I don't know. Do you think it happens? I think it's a very like common experience that you become very conscious on camera.
Good morning.
Alarmed. I'm just stating facts that I've been known for 17,000 years.
Also, guys, I'm back on the vlogs. Sachin.
He is back again. He was gone for 12 years.
He's been on every single vlog, I feel.
No.
Bro, that actually so. Dipanshu started my vlogging journey
That's
with
true.
you.
First and the third. Second one.
Second में कोई भी नहीं था.
He was there.
Bro, second में कैसे था? Oh हाँ. Fuck.
Second में कब था मैं?
तुम थे. मैं तुम्हारे साथ वो करी थी ins and outs वाली activity.
Bro, yes. Guys, so very lucky to be featured in all of Divya and the House's vlogs.
Insane.
Yeah.
So when am I getting my payment for making your payment?
As soon as I get famous.
Look at that. Show us your necklace.
भाई अभी हमें नीचे पता कौन मिली?
कौन?
ऊपर पता हमें कौन मिली अभी?
Cut.
अच्छा मोमो मोमो माँ बाप अरे यार
You're going on my vlog.
क्यों भाई मैंने पता क्या बोला
Wants to hang out only with his absolutely crass Dehradun friends. Whether it is to go on trips. Go to say hi to my
यहाँ मेरे
vlog.
पेट्रोल भर दे यार ये पे आगे गाड़ी
मैंने लोग बोल मेरे vlog को.
रुक जा यार
Go to this driving and all. Just don't act like you know how to drive. Say hi, bro.
मैं नहीं बोल रहा यार
Golu, you will come in the vlog and everyone will think you're rude.
हाँ ठीक है
Do you want everyone to think you're rude?
नहीं
भाई तू नहीं दिखता अच्छा तो मैं इसके क्या कर सकती हूँ.
नहीं अच्छा नहीं दिखता मैं
तो अब तू चलता है ना रोड पे
हाँ
तो भी तो दिखता है ना लोगों को.
तो उन लोगों को फर्क होना पड़ता कभी
तो यहाँ पे भी किसी को फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला. Literally nobody cares. Everyone watches for me. Not
सही
for
है
you.
सही है जहाँ पे लड़कियाँ आती है ना सब लोग दिखने आ जाते
That,
हैं
oh my god, he is so delusional. Only 10 people watch and all those 10 people
out of
watch
6
for me.
out of 6 they watch for your face
They watch for my not face but for me.
अच्छा
For my jokes.
jokes
Where are we going? Tell the vlog.
Pamni Khandelwal
And how long are we meeting after? All three of us.
6-7 months
Liar.
तो
We meant like 2 months.
कब 2
Oh,
महीने पहले
sorry. भावनी और मैं मिलते हैं तुझे बिना बताए
हाँ, वो अलग बात है, ठीक है तो देखो। अब आवारा लोगों को क्या ही कर सकते हैं
Please don't ever talk to me like that. You sound like my mom.
उससे पहले मैंने फोन कर दिया
मैंने तुझे बताया है कब निकलना है. और सोच मैं ऑफिस गई फिर मैं जिम गई.
ये बंद क्यों है ड्यू
मुझे क्या पता.
मैंने पूछा भी नहीं बंदे से यार अच्छा वो आगे रास्ता है
Oh, see, they have made all solutions. We are just. पर इससे बंद क्यों रोड बन रही है?
क्या
रोड बन रही है.
बस मजे के नशे के कर दिया कि भाई मजा आएगा
You know, I did not drink at all this year. Year has just begun.
ले
But I didn't drink. तूने क्या किया 30? तू अपने मम्मी पापा के साथ था.
हाँ
और क्या किया?
फर्स्ट हाँ मम्मी पापा के साथ में था
फिर फर्स्ट को क्या किया? How did you start your year?
जिम
अरे वाह. I'm going to break my friendship with this guy because he's becoming more and more like a man. Not just any man. A very... Sorry, I can't say that. That's a little problematic. But you get what I'm saying. Oh my god, she's here. Guys, so we have someone in the house. Not Divya. Oh my god, hello. Wait, I'll do it. Hi, Pavni. Tell us how you are feeling today.
I'm feeling very, very lucky since I'm meeting the 2 most important people of my life, amongst others.
Wow.
Do not piss off.
That was not required. No, not among just
No,
us.
Yes, it is just these 2 people. I don't.
You look beautiful.
I'm so sorry.
What angle you like? You tell. We'll put that.
I don't know. I don't like my hair
You like
actually.
You look good.
You look good. You look perfect.
Shut up.
Yes. So, what was the question?
What do you feel? How do you feel today?
I feel really, really ecstatic because I'm meeting these Gazabad people.
He just doesn't like being on camera, so we
So boring. Huh. So yes, I feel amazing and I feel really happy because we've been wanting to meet for a really long time, and we met. Woohoo! Hi, and
We are the
welcome.
cutest people on planet Earth.
Ah,
Bolo yaar, it's okay.
Okay.
He's really such a loner.
Let him
But I'm
be.
gonna miss her.
I miss you too. We are meeting after decades.
We are not, but we are.
We are.
A
Shut the
week
fuck
is
up.
a decade for us.
Yes, it is.
A month.
And yeah. Yes.
No,
and
sorry. Why am I?
it's okay. We'll meet
No, we
more.
will, yes.
And we'll talk more.
We will
and-
schedule video call and dinner date online.
Let's do that. I love it. And I wish you a very, very happy new year. And everyone watching this vlog, the most amazing people watch it, and the most amazing person vlog.
And the most amazing person is in it. Okay. Thank you. Go to say bye.
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 नहीं नहीं